Vegas Pro just got acquired by Boris FX. This is some very interesting news. We're going to see some changes along with the 2026 version of what used to be called Sony Vegas back in the day, and then it was sold over to Magix. Magix now either went under or something happened, and they sold Vegas Pro over to Boris FX, which I've heard really good things about. As a small editor myself, this is the software that I use, and I wanted to share something that I had a struggle with, which was saving these presets that I created under the video event FX, saving these over to the new 2026 version because some of them save, some of them do not. I don't know if I can completely explain that part, but I'm going to show you guys here how I did it here. Let me know in the comments if you guys have questions. I'll do my best to answer them, though I'm not a professional at this myself. But if you have your preset on the left-hand screen here, I've got Vegas 18. I'm sure this will work on any Vegas all the way up to 2026. But on the left-hand side of the screen here, I've got the preset I want to copy over. So we're going to copy over this one here, which is one for shorts, basically keeping a very specific setup or outline for short form videos. So I want to save that over here on the right-hand side. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to copy it. When you copy it, it's really important, that you want to copy it from the left side. I noticed when I copied it in the middle, sometimes that it would create a kind of a weird thing to have happen with the preset. Once you have it in here, we want to just click save that preset. And then I would also save whatever project you're currently in, maybe just create a project for saving the presets so that you have it. And this will save the presets in the video event FX. The ones that did save for me when I did this was the settings or the presets for crop. You're going to find that under your or I think it's OFX presets folder inside your documents. Just look for that. Those will get saved over. These came over just fine for specific FX presets, but the standard ones did not. So that's the way that I was copying them over. Once again, just make sure that you save it to at least one thing, but you're pulling it into an active project, which will allow you to then also save the preset here. This worked for me. The first time I did it, I was copying them over a bunch at a time, and I wasn't saving them right away, and I ended up just copying over one preset, and it overrode everything. So I would check a couple of them every once in a while just to make sure that's working for you. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any recommendations for best settings to use for the fastest render, but also the best quality render for Vegas Pro 2026. I'm just starting to use the software. I really like it so far, and I'm hoping that it doesn't crash as much. That I'm very much excited for. And let me know what you guys think. Have a great day.